Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Chase Bank business account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Chase Bank business account on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in chase.com and hit on enter. And after that guys, you'll be on this interface of the Chase website, where at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is the personal tab and the business tab and a commercial tab. Now in order to log into your business account, click on the business option available for us. And again, at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see the sign in button available for us on the business. And again, click on sign in. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username and your password of the account which you want to log into on Chase Bank. And after that guys, if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says forgot username or password. Click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, after entering your username and your password, click on the sign in button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Chase Bank account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how to log into your Chase Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.